Now have a look at this one. This is the aftermarket oil filter for the Toyota Camry, right? And take a look at this one. This is the original. Notice the difference, right? Height difference. See, it's always recommend to use the OEM oil filter for your vehicle, because this size can change the oil pressure on your vehicle. This is the correct size. So always get the originals. Remember, people, get the originals, not the aftermarket. Look the difference. Aftermarket, original. Aftermarket, original. Notice the height differences. Notice the sizes is almost the same, but if you look at the height of it, is different. Okay, so always get the original. So what I'm doing now is I pre-fill the oil on the oil filter. Just put a little bit of oil in there. There you go. And I'm install it in the engine. Okay, so put back the drain bolt in with the right washer, and the oil filter is installed with the correct oil filter. And now I was doing my checks to make sure everything is okay on the bottom. I notice I see some power steering leak here, right there. And I checked the CV axle, and guess what I found? And look closely, see this? This one is ripped. Can't get the camera in, but look, see? The CV axle needs to replace. It's on the passenger side. So I'll let the customer know that this thing is torn. But otherwise than that, the rest of the suspension looks okay. And on the other side looks good. That's the sternum rack and pinion, and right here it's okay. So yep, everything looks good. Now we jack down the car and install some fresh oil. Let's do that. Yeah. All right, we're back at the top. There's my oil funnel ready. Get my distillate out. Everything is secure. I fixed the air filter housing. Now I'm going to install some pressure oil using 5W20. You could either use 0W20 as well. So this is 5W20 I'm using. The tab can also say, like I say, it's either 5W20 or 0W20. So you know what you want to use, just use. Where they are. 5W20, 0W20. As you can see, I'm just holding a camera and doing the other thing at the same time. I'm pouring the engine oil. I'll use this one. And just repeat the process until you use up to, we'll try to use 5 quarts first, and then we'll measure out the dipstick. Okay, and we'll be back. And I finished the filling up the oil, but now we're gonna start the engine so the oil circulates around the engine. Also, we have to check on the bottom to make sure there's no oil leaks. So start it up. See how she sounds like. engine sounds nice now. Let's try with all that stuff in. Okay, now we put it in there and bring it out. So as you can see, we finished the oil job. So we're going to top off. Just stick again. We check always in the full mark. Just check it underneath to make sure there's no oil leak. And so far, no oil leaks, which is a good thing. Okay, now I'm going to reset the maintenance lights. Okay, this is how you reset the maintenance lights, the maintenance oil lights. First of all, you turn on, not starting the engine, you're just turning on. So you turn on, and then wait. You select trip A using this button here. Okay, this is a maintenance light here. So what you do is, you gotta hold this button. Actually, first put on trip A, and then you turn off the keys like that, and then you hold this button, and then you turn on the car by not starting, and then it's gonna reset itself. I will show it to you, but I wanna be able to show it with my phone. But so you hold on like this. I hold it right now, and then I turn on. Notice how it's flashing, and now it's reset to 0, and you release, and that's it. So when you hit another 5,000 miles, you change the oil again. So it's like every 5,000 miles you change your oil. Why is that? Because the oil is 5W20 and 0W20. Mostly, like all the time on Toyotas, when they're using 0W20, it's every 5,000 miles you gotta change your oil, because those oils are very thin. Yeah, that's about it. So I'll turn it off. Turn it back on. So you can see the light is off. And then we have this one here. I'm gonna start the car up. As you can see, there's a check engine lights. Now I'll do a separate video on this one. Okay. Well guys, it was been a nice procedure on changing those oils on the 2009 Toyota Camry LS model. This is an LS model. Now remember, always I prefer to use OEM products. Toyota products are the best products you could use for your vehicle. As you can see, the comparisons with the aftermarket oil and the original equipment manufacturer oil filters, and also use the right washers for the drain bolts. I highly recommend using Toyotas, which is, I show you the numbers, so everything will be on the video. It's on the video, so just follow the videos. I'll show you the number and everything, what to use. As always, thank you for watching my videos. Please always like and comment, and follow me on TikTok. Also, I'll be posting this video on YouTube. So be safe, have fun, and always take care of yourselves. And be safe when fixing your own vehicles. Have a great day.